you with Miss Dawn's Handmade Creations. Today I come to show you what I ordered from my girl Lisa Goss, who is HappyCrafter Lisa Goss on Instagram and YouTube. And she has her shop, which is HappyCrafter Shop on Instagram. And she was selling a, what else is in here? Selling a strawberry kit. And y'all know I just got that strawberry collection from Frank Garcia. So, oh, this box is cute. It's pink. So here's the box and some extras here. So let's see. I am so excited about this. In the organza. To have more to go with that collection. I love that collection from Frank Garcia. Strawberry milkshake. So I thought this would go perfect. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Oh, look at these. Is this a... I think they're made out of foam. They are out of foam. And there's two, a small one and a big one. Strawberry, die cut. I love it. And then, what is this? Ooh, these are pretty. This must be like a free order. These are like flowers. Oh, these are beautiful. They're cupped. Very pretty. And there is her information. So it had to be, this must be like a free gift for me. Thank you, Lisa. Girl, these strawberries, I fell in love with the strawberries. Let's see. So here, I got the strawberry milkshake. See, that goes perfect with that collection. And this is right on time. I'm working on a swap, and I'm using that collection. So that's going to be perfect. 2, 4, 6, 8 in there. And then look at these cute little chocolate with pink wrapping little girls. Isn't that cute? So it's like a milk chocolate bar. Got a bow in her hair. 2, 4, 6, 8. Wait a minute. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah. 8 pieces. And then, of course, the bead kit. Oh, so I'm not going to open these up. Y'all seen her bead kits, but I love these frosted ones. Love, love, love. So pretty. Goes great with the collection. The pinks and the red. Let's open the box. OMG. And definitely keeping this pink box. Look at this paper. Oh, yeah. This is not paper. This is that faux leather. This was part of the kit. Everything in here is part of the kit. Oh, my gosh. Absolutely. I got to be very careful with this. I only got one piece. So if I cut out bows or anything like that. Oh, my gosh. This is so nice. I love that. Very pretty. And then she got some, what is it? I think this is vellum. I don't want to open it. But it says strawberry going across. And this is vellum paper with beautiful strawberries on it. Isn't that cute? I'm loving this strawberry theme. And then here's some patches. Strawberry. Ooh, I like these. Got the sequence on it. Red, pink, and hot pink. Strawberries. And then she made some coordinating flowers. I love these. Very pretty, Lisa. Love, love, love. And then she gave some more. Oh, I love this. So when I make my shaker mix, or to add into the project, or add on the project, got some little strawberry clay pieces. So pretty. Sliced strawberry clay pieces. Absolutely love this. I think I got some of these on some of Ebony's, the crafty girl on Instagram. Remember I just hauled her rosettes. I think these pieces are on there, so that's awesome. Then we got some coordinating bows. Look at this. I love her bows. Look at this red and white stripe, the pink and white stripe. Beautiful. And look at this. I think I have these already, so that's great to add to my collection. I love these little popsicles with the little bow and the heart. So cute. Some more popsicles. Some ice creams, I should say. I don't know. Popsicle ice cream. They're all the same to me. Look at these beautiful ladybugs. I'm glad I got these. I'm trying to think. Did I get some of these in my last order with her? I can't remember. I have to look and find them. But I'm loving the dots on top. They're actually raised, guys. so it's dimensional, and there are 5 in here. Then she gave some super cute stickers. Oh yeah. Oh, these are nice. Nice and shiny. And I know she said in her kit that they will be different in each kit. Oh, I'm loving these. This is going to be so nice with my... Oh, I love that one. So cute. Yay! Yes. And the basket and strawberry. That is so cute. I love that, Lisa. Those are some nice images. Then she gave some gold leaves to go with the flowers. I haven't even cut that leaf out. I think that is Scrap Diva Designs. Where's my... Oh, here it is. I think that's her flowers die. Now I haven't even cut out the flowers, of course. Y'all seen that, but I haven't done the leaves, I don't think. I might have. And then she gave some charms, strawberry. Oh, these are cute. So you get 3 red and 3 pink. This one, oh yes, these are buttons, but you can just cut off the shank in the back, this piece here, and make it into a embellishment. Now these I think are my favorite charms. Look how pretty these are. So you get red and pink. 6, 8, 10, 12. There's 12, so it's probably 6 and 6. 6 red, 6 pink. I love these. And these are the gold, just pure gold strawberry charms. Beautiful. There's 10. Yep. Then she gave me some seed beads. Go perfect. I like to add these into my mixes as well. Give it a little rattle. I like that little rattle sound like that. And then at the end when you're making your charms, you can put a seed bead at the end so it won't come off. Then I got, ooh, I love these. Ooh. Now these have like a two-tone to them. Can y'all see that? On this side, it looks different than that side. That is pretty. Oh, I like these, girl. Let's see. And there are 2, 4, 6, 8 of those. Oh, I got plenty to choose from. And y'all know I have these. These came from the Frank Garcia collection. The collection itself, Strawberry Milkshake. This is one of their embellishments. So I'm so happy I got 4 more. Yes! And then I have these. Ooh, these are thick. Oh, yes. Ooh, I'm going to be careful with these. I don't want to use these up too much, but I think this is my favorite out of the charms. I love how thick those are on that bright yellow, bright red and green. That is pretty. 2, 4, 6, and you get 8. Then she gave some of the tool that has the snow inside. I'm trying to think. I think I have all 3 of these colors, so this is perfect. Yep, I do. So this is perfect. Love, love, love. Thank you. That was a great idea to include that. And then this trim, I wanted to see the trim. I saw it on her video, but you know, it's different when you get it in your hands, guys. I wanted to see this trim. I think she said it's a yard, but look at these cute strawberries. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I absolutely love it. Of course, probably just cut them apart. I see the seam there to add them, or if you need to add just on top of something, because since I don't have that much of it, I want to make sure I can use it the best possible way to extend it. And then she made some shaker strawberries. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that, guys. I absolutely love these. She's got little hearts in there. I love the two-tone of the stem. That's so cute. So cute. Thank you, Lisa. Then we got some ribbon to coordinate. Oh, that's beautiful. And I think this goes perfectly with the strawberry milkshake. She must have had that in her mind when she created these. And look at this tool. OMG. This tool is beautiful. I'm going to have to use this sparingly. Look at this. Absolutely love it. That is beautiful. This is pink. with red strawberries and their glitter. The tool itself is pink, guys. This is so cute. Girl, yeah, I'm going to have to cut just little bitty pieces when using it. This is a very nice kit, guys. I absolutely love this kit, Lisa. You did a great job putting it together. A plethora of strawberries, and it goes perfect with the strawberry milkshake collection. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.